Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. I hope everyone is well and safe at home. So today we are going to start our new lesson, new topic, which is very important. So as you all know, today we are going to start with 8th class social studies, day 21, 21st day. So today we are going to learn about a topic, a lesson which is very important for every life on the earth, every human being on the earth. Can you guess what it is? Okay, I'll give you a hint. Something which is very important for survival of every human being. What it is? Okay, one more hint. What we breathe. Oxygen, right? See, oxygen. Oxygen is very important for our life. Where from we get the oxygen? What is the major source from where we get the oxygen? It is from the trees, plants. So today we are going to learn about something called as forest. Forest. Its uses and how to protect the forest. As we know, protecting forest is very important for survival of every life on the earth. So forest. Using the forest and protecting it. How do we protect it? What are the methods through which we can protect the forest? Protecting the forest. So today's lesson, the topic is from the 8th class. 5th lesson is forest using and protecting. Forest using and protecting. First of all, what is a forest? How do we define the forest? So let us understand the question. What is a forest? Can you define what is a forest? Defining forest is not limited or restricted. Every individual can define in different ways. For some people, forest is an area where some number of or a large number of trees are covered, or you can say that the large area filled with or covered with many different types of trees, animals, which is called as forest, which we define as forest. So what is a forest? In simple, a large tract or a large area covered with different types of trees, plants and animals is called as forest. Now, forest is taken as different ways. Like some people take forest as a shelter. You take the example of tribals. For the tribals, forest is shelter for them, where they live, survive, collect the food. And for some people, forest is a source of raw material. For example, if you take an industry, paper industry, for a paper industry, forest is something where they collect the raw material. Trees are the raw materials. The wood used to prepare the paper is a raw material. So forest gives wood to the industry, which which is a raw material. So for the industrialists, forest is a source of providing a raw material to them. So for the tribals, it is a source of survival. For the industrialist, it is a source of supplying a raw material. So different people can define forest in different ways. So we can take some people simply, like as I told you, forest is a shelter for the tribals. Forest is a source of supplying raw material for the industrialists. For the animals, it is a shelter for them. It is a shelter for them. So we need to remember that we use forest. Human beings use the forest in different ways, in different situations. So defining the forest is also different depending on the people, the situation. But as a common definition, we can take what is a forest is a tract or a large area covered by number of trees and plants and animals. It is called as forest. A tract covered by, you can say a large, you can take this also, a large tract covered by number of trees and plants and animals is called as forest. So here we will see what is the uses of forest. So when we talk about the uses of forest can be used in many ways. Can you give some examples? How can we use the forest? Forest can be used as a shelter for animals. Shelter for animals. Shelter for animals, tribals. What more we can say? What are the uses of forest? Forest is a source of many things like honey, herbs, fruits. Many more things are there which we can get from the forest. Forest can be used in many ways. So there is no limitations. We cannot say that this is the only use of forest. Forest is used by the people in many ways. If you take the example of villages settled in and around the forest areas, we will see that people go graze their animals in the forest. People go collect the firewood from the forest. So these are all the uses of forest. Forest can be used as a shelter, as a source of food, as a source of firewood, charcoal, as a source where we can get the herbs, honey, fruits. Many things are there where we get from the forest. So today we'll stop here and continue in the next session about how do we protect the forest and types of forest. Thank you.